This is the SABLUTE rechargeable wireless trackball mouse. I love trackball mouses. I've been using them for about 20 or 25 years and I've had all kinds of them. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. First off, it arrived safely in some really nice packaging. Inside the package, you are going to get an easy to read user manual that gives you all the particulars and shows you how to set it up, and I will show you how to do that myself. And you get a decent size, it's about a 5-foot long charging cable, type C, because this is a rechargeable device with a 500 milliamp battery in it. 500 milliamps is a good size battery. Most of these that I've used in the past last pretty long between charges, and they say that this one has 230 days of standby time, though I haven't tested that out yet. The best part for me about a trackball mouse is the ergonomic design. There are 4 rubber feet on the bottom to keep it from sliding around, and it fits just perfectly in the palm of my hand. My wrist never moves, and all of the controls can be used with minimal effort. For me, it's perfect for all day, everyday use. If I want to pick it up and move it around, I just use these 2 fingers, control the cursor with the trackball. I just love these things. So this is a plug-and-play device. There are no drivers needed at all. The trackball mouse uses 2.4 gig tech, and there are 2 different ways that you can easily connect it to your Mac or PC. You can connect it via the USB receiver that's right here, or you can connect it via Bluetooth, and there are 2 different Bluetooth connections right here, so you could actually connect it to 3 different devices if you wish to do that. And changing connections is really super easy. Just the press of a button right here, 1, 2, and 3, and there's an on-off switch right here. The mouse has a 6-key design on it. You've got left click, you've got right click, you've got a dedicated forward and back buttons, and you've got the up and down page roller here that can be pressed to move very quickly to the top or the bottom of a long page or document. And this is a 5-level DPI button that allows you to change the speed of the cursor as it moves across the screen. The speeds basically go from slow, like if you need to dial something in, to super fast. For daily use, I prefer setting 3 or 4. I'll show you the 2 different ways you can set this up. So obviously the first way you can connect it is via this USB port right here. You just plug it into your computer. You just press this button until you reach the 3rd light, and that is the USB connector. And you can see the cursor on the screen right there, I hope. If you look over here on DPI 1, that's about as fast as you can get it. And 5, it just flies all over the place. Like I said, I like to keep it on 4 or so. So in order to connect this Bluetooth, I'm going to have to use my other mouse to get it going. And on my case, this is the way I set up a Bluetooth device. So I'm going to turn the mouse on. I'm going to go to setting Bluetooth 1 right there. You can see Bluetooth mouse 5.0 shows up. And there we go. We're connected. You can see, easy as that. Just show you right here, left click feature. Got the back button, back, forward, 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 back, back, back. Pretty cool. So there you go, a nice ergonomic, easy on the wallet, rechargeable trackball mouse that is compatible with your PC or laptop, Mac or Windows. Very nice.